Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Good morning, everybody. I am with Queen Bee in the Kalamazoo, Michigan area. I am going to be attending a car show at the Gilmore Car Museum in Hickory Corners or something, Michigan. If you look up Gilmore Car Museum, you can't miss it. It's about 15 miles from Kalamazoo, Michigan. I will be there today, basically all day, from 9 a.m. Till about 5 p.m. So if you are within 60 miles of this place, try to stop by, say hello, shake hands, listen to some Volvo stories. This is primarily a Volvo event, maybe Lincoln's as well. But hey, this is where I am today. Stop by, say hello. We are about a mile, maybe two, away from the Gilmore Car Museum. We are approaching the entrance down here. I believe on the left there's a Volvo car show, maybe some other manufacturers represented as well. We are going to hang out with some Volvo people today, see what kind of neat cars we can see what kind of stories people tell, and just try to enjoy the day. As you can tell, it's a little overcast and rainy, but we're not going to let that bother us at all. Just letting you guys know, you have missed a great car show if you are not here at the Gilmore Museum. There are some great cars, great people, good representation of well-maintained Volvo automobiles. We got a rally car over here. We got a family car here. I actually see a 780 with a 5-speed. Never seen that before. Awesome. Best looking 780 I think I've ever seen. And it's got the Volvo OEM sunroof shade like I have for Queen Bee. Some of your newer vehicles there. Of course, y'all know I love the red blocks. And it is just starting to rain after 5 hours. Barely sprinkling. So, and as you can see, a couple of the T5s and Rs. We are having a great day here at Gilmore. Calling it a day. Never seemed to record enough. But we are leaving the Gilmore Museum. Wonderful time. There's a Facebook Live video I did on the Volvo of Michigan Facebook page. And we are out. Thanks for watching. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.